Hey everyone, I'm Jacob Garland, Chief Technology Officer at Pointivo. Today we're kicking off a brand new series talking about how drones and digital twin technology are revolutionizing tower inspections in the telecom industry. One thing about the telecom industry is that it's constantly evolving. There's new technology, new antennas, new deployments. Towers like this one, they're the backbone of the industry, but old school approaches to maintaining these towers, it's inherently challenging. It's slow, it's complicated, it's expensive. Not to mention when you're hanging off a 300-foot tower, it can be a little dangerous too. At Pointivo, we're using drones and patented AI-driven digital twin technology to transform the way our customers maintain these telecom towers. The drones capture high-resolution imagery and data, and then Pointivo's digital twin tech creates a virtual replica of the tower and then analyzes things like the structure and configuration of the tower, the inventory of antennas and other equipment, including the compound. We can even assess the condition of the tower. And this kind of actionable data is like super valuable to tower owners, to carriers, to structural and civil engineers. And then there's tons of benefits to this new approach. We're talking about improving accuracy, lowering labor costs, making people safer, increasing efficiency. And then of course the scalability of a technology like this makes it ideal for managing huge portfolios of tower sites that, let's face it, by their very nature are spread out over large distances. We're seeing traction across the industry because the capital investment needed to get started is nearly zero. The drone capture and analysis are all turnkey, which means companies don't have to buy drones or train technicians or purchase specialized software. Companies can get all of the benefits of this amazing data within days with nearly zero upfront investment. Anyway, as a part of this new series, we're going to be diving into some topics specific to the telecom industry. We're going to talk about Pointivo's SmartNav technology, how it can be used for virtual inspection of towers and equipment. We're going to talk about Pointivo and how we can automate the creation of IFC and BIM as-built drawings for key structural elements, things like that. We're also going to do a deep dive into some of the specific use cases like lease compliance for tower owners, tower mapping, equipment inventory, mount mapping, and so on. It's going to be a really fun series, so stay tuned. For Pointivo, I'm Jacob Garland. Onward and upward. Have an amazing day.